Remote working increases the managerial complexity of project planning and ongoing activity management. François is puzzled by this new way of working. He leads an operational team that works on a variety of projects. He is pondering how he can best organize, anticipate, and plan his colleagues' working hours. He needs real-time visibility on his team's management due to absences, travel, and now telecommuting. SuitePro-G rises to the occasion once more, providing managers with a comprehensive overview of workflows for managing project and out-of-project activities. As a result, François can allocate current tasks to his colleagues while maintaining control over whether they are carried out in the office or remotely. One of François' colleagues, Mathilde, has scheduled 3 days of remote work this week. François recognizes this working method for this time period and can therefore plan the days ahead of time based on Mathilde's and his other collaborators' availability. François can now manage his team with complete confidence thanks to SuitePro-G. He keeps track of everyone's activities while also adapting to their working environment. Mathilde and her co-workers can simply identify the telework times and enter them into their timesheets. The effectiveness of François' analysis of the time spent will be enhanced. With SuitePro-G you can manage your teams with complete confidence.